Hey guys, it's me, Hannah Nicole Beauty here, back at you with another video, and today I'll be giving you a room tour. And sorry this video is not the best quality, but I am filming it on my little iPhone. So hang in tight guys, and let's show you around. Okay, so over here is where I used to keep on all my clip-on earrings back when I didn't have my ears pierced. And there's still some in there. There's my hot pink hair extension that I never wear. There's just some unnecessary stuff. This is my sunglasses collection and my jewelry. It's all in here and everything. This door doesn't like to close because of this chunky necklace right here. But let's just move on. So there's some Bath and Body Works stuff, some scented lotions, candle, my nail polish pop socket that I haven't put on in forever, hair stuff, travel makeup, all that cool stuff. We're gonna move over here. This is my Pinterest worthy Harry Potter fan wall and like Instagrammable wall because I wanted to do that, so it's there. That's my sister's stuff. Also my sister's stuff. My sister's stuff, that face mask is actually mine. But actually a lot of the stuff I need to move out of here. Let's go over here, shall we? That's my charging station. That's a label maker. And those are my books, binders, lots of books I haven't finished reading. My old Chromebook is back there. So the unicorn to hold my phone. These are some Canadian gummy bears that I need to finish eating. This is my little Echo Dot in a little owl case. This is my terrarium that died because I don't water anything. Old lamp, empty putty, coaster, all that good stuff over there. Now, this is my bed right here. Much cooler than my sister's. I know. Very color coordinated. We got an H, so a bunch of ribbons I've won in horse shows. Then we have a beluga whale because my favorite sea creature is beluga whales, for those of you that didn't know. Cute little bear my mom gave me, all that stuff. This is a picture I painted of my cat. Insert picture here of my real cat. My hat collection. This is the hat I got this Sabrina Carpenter concert. Deathly Hollows. Over there are my lanyards. One's a Makusa for those that know what that is. 4-H. And just a hot pink hat. There's my Loki helmet shrinking project from math class. That's beautiful. These are my ribbons of things and tickets to different cool parts of my life. Then we have this chair right here. Nice IKEA chair, unicorn pillow, Hufflepuff pillow. And that's my old squishy. And down there is my sewing set. I'm not sure if you can see that. The wallet. We have some mugs that I'm saving for like college and stuff. My Harry Potter poster that I got for free at Comic-Con. This Harry Potter poster, Hogwarts poster that my brother got me. And this cool painting of this white horse and this little girl that I think looks a lot like me, and I have a white horse. So I just thought that was legit and all. Okay, moving to further down. Oh, there's a fan right there if you were wondering, because I don't have air conditioning. This is my curtains, they're very loud. This is my vanity, or where it currently is. And we got my stool. This has all my nail polish in it. A bunch of it fell because I was moving this around a bit ago. We have nail stuff, face masks, hand creams right there. Little Hufflepuff music box my sister gave me with tissues on top of it. Hand cream. Lipsticks. I have 2 foundations open right now because I opened one too early. My brushes are all right there. I have my face mist, candle that I've almost burned out, beauty blender, makeup wipes, makeup wipe trash can. Okay, we have this coat rack here. Very lame coat rack. You know, this is my dresser, and this is a bunch of books we don't need anymore. This is my desk that I never use. I actually usually do my homework on my vanity over there. But this is like my mini Harry Potter shrine clock necklace I wore yesterday, just chilling right there. With Dobby, we have my potions. Very cool stuff. Like, I got that at Comic-Con, this box. Got a love potion my sister made me because she loves me. I have a little snitch. We have Pygmy Puffs. We got my owl. My picture children's books that I need to get rid of. Trophies from not really doing well. More participation stuff, except for this. When I was like a small child, me and my sisters won that. We have a bunch of boxes that I have that I don't really know what to do with. There's a tennis racket right there. It's my sister's. I'm not athletic at all. We have this little pretty cabinet. Some of my sister's stuff. If any of you are wondering, this is my sister's dresser. She's moving stuff out. And if you're wondering why I'm going, oh, this is what we need to move, I am actually redesigning my room. That's why I originally came up with this idea, because I want to look back at my old room before I redesign it, because I'm getting to do that soon. So, yeah. We got all that stuff. Got a picture right there. I'm just going to do a little whoop. Oh, if you're wondering about my view, there's just that tree right there. I don't live in a neighborhood, so can't expose anyone. But yeah, so vanity, all that stuff. Hello. Okay, got Pinterest wall. Don't look over there. And my Pinterest bed because I'm fancy. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and tell me if you want to see my whole room redesign process or not, because I think that would be fun. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!